Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. And in this video, we are going to see how we can cancel a delivery reminder for sales order and purchase order using X++ code. First of all, let's create a sales order. For that, I will create a sales order and I will also create a purchase order. So I'll click on new. I'm going to select any customer. Let me go with this one and I'll click OK. And in the I will duplicate this tab and I will go to my purchase order as well. So let me go to my purchase order. For that I can go to procurement and sourcing and I can go to all purchase order. Okay, now let me go back to sales order. Here I will add my item. So I can pick this. I can say I need 5 quantities. I'll say the quantity as 10 and I will save it. So what we are going to do, okay, site and warehouse, or site and warehouse. So I can pick any site and warehouse. I will save it. Let me go above again. Okay, now this is ready. So what I'm going to do, if you see here, update line, click on this delivery reminder, you can cancel. Okay, so that will make your sales and inventory quantity as 0. Similarly, in purchase order as well, I'll select a vendor. Let me go with this one. And I will click OK. So using X++ code, we will cancel the quantity like the delivery reminder. Here also, let me pick the same item. You can say this one. And here also, let me order 15 quantities. Okay, I will save it. Now what I will do, using my X++, I will using my X++ programming language, I will cancel the delivery reminder for both. And here if you see the status, and here also you can see the status. Now we'll also change the status. First of all, let me go to, I will add a runnable class to show this example. I can say my runnable class as cancel delivery reminder. I can click on add. Now the steps would be, I will go to my sales line first, then I will go to purchase line for purchase order. Here I will change my inventory quantity. So what I mean by that is, if you click on update line, you go to delivery reminder, you need to cancel the sales quantity and inventory quantity. Similarly, here as well, you need to cancel your purchase quantity and inventory quantity. So first of all, let's go to our sales line. I can say sales line, and here what I can do, can say equals to sales line, you can use find method. Inside my find method, I need to pass my sales ID first. This is my sales ID 000885. Let me paste it here. Let me quickly go to find method because sending only sales ID might be dangerous here. So line number, it will assume 0. Okay, then it will pick the first one. Okay, so we only have a single line, so we don't need to pass line here. And from this, I will get buffer of my sales line. Then I can say sales line dot inventory. One second, let me go back here. Remain invent physical. Okay, I need to make it 0. Similarly, I can say here sales line dot remain sales physical equals to 0, and then I can say sales line dot sales status equals to sales status. Okay, this is not the one. Let me go here. Okay, this is the sales status field only. So I can say this has cancelled, and then I can update this. I can say sales line dot update. Similarly for purge line as well, I will write same piece of code. I can say purge line equals to purge line. I will use find method here as well. Okay, and I believe here also similar type of code should be there if in case I don't pass the line number. Okay, if in case I don't pass the line number, it will pick the first one. Okay, let's see. Now from here I will pass my purchase order ID. I can copy this, and here let me auto hide this. Okay, so I will paste this, and then I can make it purge line dot purge. Let's save it first. I can say purge line dot remain invent physical equals to 0. Okay, let me correct this. Okay, here equals to 0, and then similarly I can say purge line dot remain purge physical equals to 0, and then I can cancel line as well. Purge status equals to purge status, and I can make it cancelled. Then I can say purge line dot update. Okay, I think there is some error. Let me save this. Okay, here I'm again giving my pet here. Alright, so now let's quickly do the build and then we'll see. So I can change my division property to no. I'll change it to no. Let's change it to false. Apply. Okay. And I will do my build now. Then we'll see how it works. Okay, so I'm getting this issue. So what I will do, let me add TTS begin and comment here, and let's try. I will do build again. Alright guys, so the build is completed. I need to do two modifications. The first modification was I need to use this TTS begin and comment as I was doing changes. And the second is that I need to use the select for update because without this I can't update the buffer. And then I simply run this class and this is completed. And now if I will go to my sales order, that is 885. Let me go to front end. Here if you see the status is cancelled, and if I open the sales order, and here you can see the status is changed to cancel. And then if you go to update line, click on this delivery reminder. Here it will show you the sales and inventory quantity as 0. And if you can see the confirm now, everything is 0, like disabled here because the line is already cancelled. And similarly, the purchase order number is 150. So if I go above 150, yeah, here we go. You can see this one status is also cancelled. Let me open this. And here also, if you will go to your update line, delivery reminder, here also you can see this is also 0 already. Okay, so let's quickly see the code. So again, if you're going to use this code, you will need to do testing from your end. There might be changes you need to do as per your business. You might need to do testing. It's just a small piece of code. Here we simply get our buffer of our sales line. We do not have multiple lines, so we don't need to pass a line number. Then we selected it for update. Then we change this remain invent physical, remain sales physical to 0. Then we change the line status to cancel. Then we simply use update statement. Similarly, for purchase line as well, we use find. Then we select it for update. Then again, invent physical and purchase physical is 0, cancel, update, and TDS commit. So thanks for watching this video.